This is where you can save some serious money. And that is, if I were to go in and rent on a Friday for this machine, I'd pay $255 for that daily rental. Now, where I rented this from is not open on Saturday or on Sunday. So technically, I can return that Monday morning and I can use it Friday, Saturday, and even Sunday and only be charged for one day. So that is a way to save 50% or even more on your rental fees. One thing to know, usually you're going to have a limitation on the number of hours that you can put on your rental machine. Usually that's around 8 hours. So the key is whenever this engine is running, that clock is ticking. So when we do projects around the house, especially as DIYers, we're running a little bit, we're jumping off and going to the store, we're jumping off and handling something by hand. So always turn that engine off if it is not doing tangible work for your project. That way, those 8 actual operating hours can string over multiple days and you'll get no additional charges and you'll get as much as 3 days for the price of 1. Now, hopefully that helped you guys out. And if you want my complete list of tips on renting equipment for your DIY projects, check out this video right here. I'll walk you through all the different tips, making sure you're getting the right equipment, you're doing that safely, and of course, saving money in the process. So thanks for joining me on this video, and we'll catch you on that next one. Take care.